Now, this plane is a VFR plane. If you want to train IFR in it, you would have to get an additional equipment. But that's what makes this thing an entry level, because you have your standard equipment on board, but you have all the safety amenities you could possibly get. So it makes this plane, I would say, a good $100,000 more affordable than, say, the top tier either Viper SD4 or Special Light Sport in the market. But this is something cool that I want to show you in this plane. So if you come down here, now the design of the tail is nothing special. You've seen this design on several airplanes, but what's unique about this bird is you've got some towing capability. So this is also perfect for towing gliders, which, by the way, I highly recommend for all pilots out there. If you get your glider rated, it helps you become a better pilot. But if we were to tow gliders out here, we've got the equipment on board to do it. Okay, enough said. I'm sure you want to know, how much does this cost, Mike? Well, here's the thing. Normally, I put out the pricing on airplanes because I want to give you an idea, but with pricing being all over the place right now, I can tell you that this plane is a lot more affordable than some of the other counterparts in the market right now. So because pricing is also changing based on tariffs, as you know, a lot of these planes are built outside of the United States, so shipping and tariff will go up or down. So I don't want to give you a price, but I will say right now, if you're looking for a Viper SD4, there may be one or two listed on the market a little above $200,000, right? An entry-level one like this will cost you somewhere around that price. Now, depending on the equipment, or if you want some fancy paint job, whatever the case may be, the more stuff that you want, the more it's going to cost. But I will budget for a little over $200,000, and if you want all the bells and whistles, then you're looking at probably closer to $300,000, not just for a Viper SD4, but really for any Special Light Sport out there. And I've seen some well over $400,000, which I think is crazy, but that's just the market we live in. Anyway, if you want to know more about the Viper SD4, you can come out here, actually at our hangar in Lawrenceville. We'll take you up in it. But also, if you just want to get your intro to flying, make sure you check out our program. Actually, go to flydriving.com. That's flydriving.com. And of course, look up flightacademy.com, has a lot more details and all the programs we offer here. I would love to take you up in this bad boy. Just shoot me an email or check us out, and I hope to catch you on the next video. Peace.